How to find friends on Facebook by phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can find your contact friends on Facebook. Now, to be able to do so, you need to allow Facebook to have access to your contacts and be able to upload them to Facebook. Now, how do you turn this option up? Now, to do so, what you want to do is open up the app and you'll get an interface like this if you are logged into your account. And once you log into your account, what you want to do is tap on the three-line icon on the top right corner of the screen just below the messenger icon, and here head over to settings. You can see the settings icon right here. Now once you do this, if you scroll down below under permissions, you'll get the option to upload contacts. Now if you don't get one, then you can always search it from here. Up in the top right corner you can see search bar, tap on upload contacts, type in here and you'll get the option right here. Now open it up and you can see the option continuous contacts upload. Now toggle this thing on and you can see the option showing up Facebook is better with friends and your contacts. Once you do this, allow it, and here you can see my contacts has been uploaded to Facebook. And once you do this, all your contacts friends will show up here, every contacts that you have on your device, and if they have Facebook account, they'll show up here. So this way you can upload contacts on Facebook. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.